Sure, that's a great question. We get that a lot too. Within the body, we talked about the endocannabinoid system and these different receptors throughout the body. Um, THC, when someone consumes THC, there's actually receptors throughout the body that molecule can connect to, and that creates that psychoactive effect. CBD is considered the promiscuous molecule. So it bounces around from receptor to receptor, but never really binds into a receptor. So for that reason, it does not have any psychoactive properties to it.